Good morning, this is Kadirve. Uh, you have given me assignment regarding data science in bivariate analysis. You have given me multiple topics. Let me explain all the topics one by one, how I was worked on all of these assignment topics. My first topic is replace the NaN values with the correct value and justify why you have chosen the same. For this problem statement, I have used the same dataset which you have provided, madam, the placement data full access.csv. So to resolve this problem statement, for same I used pandas library, import pandas as a PD dataset. I have loaded the dataset using pd.read.csv. After loading, I got the dataset details. Once I selected the dataset variable, I got the entire dataset details. So in this dataset, around 217 rows is there. So now I am going to replace the NaN values into this database. First of all, I have to check how many NaN values into this dataset. That I am using dataset.isNull.sum function. Using this function, we came to know how many NaN values into this dataset. I could see in salary column around 69 NaN values are there. Remaining all columns 2 NaN values are there. Okay, so first of all, salary column NaN values I am going to replace. Okay, let's see salary column. What is the NaN? So yeah, I could see all the salary columns is NaN values. Around 16 salary columns is NaN values, but the NaN value, it is based on the student status. Those who are not placed, in that values only I could see as a NaN value as per this data set. So here here I am going to replace NaN value place as a 0. This is the only thing we can do for salary column. Apart from that, any other change, it will not work out here. So let me it will not work out here. So the replacing NaN value in this 0 in the salary column, for NaN values I have used dataset salary. I have taken this salary column, fill na 0 in place equal to true. So using this I have replaced the NaN value. I have replaced 0 in the salary column NaN value places. Okay. After this, I have again checked the NaN value columns. So I came to know dataset.isNull.sum. I used the same dataset.isNull.sum function. Now the salary column NaN values was removed. Now it was 0. So next thing is I have remaining 2 more columns NaN values, like salary number, gender, SSLC pass mark, higher secondary degree, like the remaining all columns. Total 2 NaN values is there. Let me select and see what are the NaN values. So for that I have used same pd.data from df equal to pd.data from the same data set I have taken here, row with null values. So in this variable I am going to store the null values. Df is null dot any axis equal to 1. So what it will do now, it will go and store the null values in the row with nulls variable. Now I could see the row number 7 and 8. The entire row number 7 and 8 is fully NaN values. So here suppose any one particular column have null value, means we can try for replace method, but here the entire row is NaN value. So that I am going to use the drop now. I am going to drop the entire rows actually, because only 3 conditions we have to use for replace the NaN values. So that I am going to use the drop condition. Here how I was dropped this one, same like the entire row drop actually. Okay, for that I have used dataset.drop na in place equal to. So I have assigned that dataset.drop na in place. So using this condition I have dropped this 7 and 8. So the thing is that already we have cleared salary column NaN values. Now remaining only 2 columns. The 2 are row number 7 and 8. So that simply I have used this dataset.drop na in place equal to true condition I have removed. Now again checking what all the null values exist into this dataset. Dataset is not function that sum function. So now there is no none values into this data. So yeah, so yeah, thank you.